Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your traveler's insurance policy, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your traveler's insurance policy, start by visiting the official traveler's website. Locate the insurance section on the home page. Click on the Activate Policy link. You will be directed to a page requesting your policy details. Enter your policy number in the provided field. Input your last name as it appears on the policy. If applicable, provide your date of birth to verify your identity. After filling in the required fields, click on the Submit button. You should see a confirmation page indicating that your policy is now activated. If you encounter any issues, look for the customer support options at the bottom of the page. Consider calling the dedicated customer service number for immediate assistance. Alternatively, you can use the live chat feature for real-time help. Should you prefer to activate your policy through a mobile app, download the Travelers app from your App Store. Open the app and log in using your account credentials. Follow the prompts to activate your policy within the app. Once activation is complete, you will receive a confirmation email for your records. Make sure to review your policy details to ensure everything is correct. Keep your policy number and confirmation handy for future reference. Now you're ready to enjoy the peace of mind that comes with your traveler's insurance coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.